This guide will help you troubleshoot and enable matchmaking in Baldur's Gate 3, specifically addressing Error 2025. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and enjoy multiplayer gaming. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to confirm if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Open new game launcher, Steam, GOG, etc. and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates before trying to connect again. Step 3. Verify game files. In your game launcher, locate the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help resolve matchmaking errors. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Baldur's Gate 3. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall/antivirus to see if it resolves the matchmaking issue. Step 5. Restart your network. Sometimes, network issues can cause matchmaking errors. Restart your modem and router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Once your internet connection is restored, try launching the game again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2025 in Baldur's Gate 3. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Enjoy your gaming.